Delicious grass carp recipe, fresh, flavorful, and perfect for summer. Gather the following ingredients: grass carp, salt, cooking vinegar, white pepper, scallions, ginger, garlic, red chilies, green bell pepper, chicken essence, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, cornstarch, egg, oil for frying. Let's start! Start by preparing the fish this way, but don't throw away the head and tail. You can use them later. You can use the head to make fish broth later. Cut the fish into 3-centimeter slices. Then cut them in half. Next, cut the spine in the middle. Place everything in a bowl. Add a bit of salt to the fish. Add this measure of cooking vinegar. Add a bit of white pepper. Now add chopped scallions and ginger. Squeeze the juice with your hands. Mix evenly. Set aside to marinate for 20 minutes. Prepare more scallions. This is how the chopped scallions should look. Prepare more ginger, cut into small pieces. Slice a few cloves of garlic as well, cut into slices like this. Now for some red chilies, also cut into small slices. Put everything on a plate and set aside. Prepare a green bell pepper. Slice it as shown in the video. Then set the bell pepper slices aside on a plate. Take a basin and add a tablespoon of salt. Add the right amount of chicken essence or any other seasoning you have. Pour a generous amount of light soy sauce and a smaller amount of oyster sauce. Add a bit of sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour a good amount of water to dilute. Mix well with a spoon and set aside. At this point, remove the scallions and ginger from the marinated fish. Then add an egg to the fish. Mix well with your hands. This will make the fish tender. Heat oil in a pan and place the fish pieces in like this. Fry on one side until lightly golden. Then turn each piece over. Fry again until golden. After frying, drain the excess oil. Then remove and set aside. Heat oil in another pan. Add the ingredients from the plate. Stir and fry until aromatic. After that, add the fish pieces and the sauce you prepared earlier. Turn up the heat and cook the fish for 3 minutes. Let the fish absorb the sauce a bit longer. Only then add the green bell peppers. Let the bell peppers cook until tender. Then you can serve it on a plate. Done this way, it will be delicious. Wow, the aroma is fantastic. A great way to prepare carp. The meat is fresh, tender, and not overly fishy. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Happy creating!